Okay. I love these. I just received a couple different packages of these, but this is the micro USB cable. It's a 10 pack, and these are 1 foot long, and they're braided. They are gold plated. I don't know whether the gold plating actually makes any difference or not, but I like them, you know. Let them be gold plated. And I've got a charger over here that plugs into AC that's and you know, here's the cord that I have been using. It's a nice cord also, by the way, but I've been using it to plug into my cell phone to charge it up. But look, I don't need it or want it this long. So I'm taking it out because it's a nice cord, but it's a little too long for the job that it needs to do. Now I've got this one, and oh, ouchie, plugging it in. Has a good snap to it too. I've noticed the recent, so there it is. Now that's better. Now these, you know, these come in different, these are 10, where's their site again? Oops, this is it. Okay, these are 10, about $1 a piece, aren't they? $9.99 for 10. Come in some great colors. They're only 1 foot long, but they also sell some that are, by the way, that have, instead of a gold-plated, they sell some that looks like the tip is just blue, but still the cords are, you know. And those are 1 foot long, 1 foot long for the ones I have here. And they also sell a 10, okay, they sell a 10 pack of them that are 1 foot long, that the color is the color of the, you know, the braiding. You can see it on their Amazon site. But this is great. I love these. And I recommend them. I was sent these for review purposes. Micro USB cable, 10 pack, 1 foot long or 0.3 meters. Colorful nylon braided, tangle-free. Of course, at 1 foot, I would expect them to be, these to be tangle-foot, you know. Gold-plated, and then, of course, it listed Samsung, HTC, and Nokia, but, you know, it's a micro USB port, so if, I think there's a mini USB port, too, but these are micro USB. It seems like everything I have around here that needs to be the micro, but right now, the price is $9.95. I think that's 18-month warranty, high speed, more copper wires contained in each single cable to ensure faster charging and data transfer. So these are a winner. I recommend them.